Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a game changer for your garden's curb appeal, the Peach Country Midnight Black Mulch Dye Color Concentrate. If you're looking to revive your landscape with a vibrant, deep black mulch, this product is for you. Stick around as we explore why it's considered one of the best in its category. Let's start with the basics. This is a commercial-grade mulch dye designed to bring life back to your worn-out mulch beds. It's available in different sizes, but today we're focusing on the 1-quart option, which covers up to 2,800 square feet. Transform your landscape instantly with a rich, black color that enhances the look of any home or business. No more heavy lifting with bags of mulch. Just mix the concentrate with water in a sprayer and apply. It's that simple. It's a non-hazardous, water-based dye that's safe for use around pets and plants, compatible with various mulch types including wood and rubber. Made in the USA, it's a product that's undergone rigorous testing to ensure consistent results and durability. First, prepare your area by watering down surfaces where you don't want dye. Shake the bottle well and mix 2 to 5 ounces per gallon of water in a pump sprayer. Set the nozzle to a medium mist and apply 2 to 3 coats from different angles for even coverage. Allow a few minutes between coats for optimal results. And there you have it, the Peach Country Midnight Black Mulch Dye Color Concentrate. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just getting started, this product delivers on its promise to revive and beautify your outdoor spaces without the hassle of traditional mulching methods. Interested in transforming your garden with this incredible mulch dye? Check out the link in the description for more details and to make your purchase today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on innovative products like this one. See you next time.